Hello, Uncle Manuel and Auntie Lydia. I'm sending you this greeting from the University Hospital of Northern British Columbia in Prince George, Canada. Congratulations on your 50th wedding anniversary, celebrating the enduring testament of your commitment, love, and dedication to one another. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for being a great role model for all of us, for your continued faith in keeping God's law. It is a rarity to witness and share an event such as yours. I do apologize for not being part of that celebration today, but rest assured, I am there in spirit. My wish for both of you are continued long life together, good health, happiness, and contentment. So I'd like to take this opportunity to raise a toast to both of you. Unfortunately, as you can see, I'm here in transfusion medicine in the lab, and we're not allowed to have any beverages. So the closest one I have is here. So here's to both of you, the wealthiest couple I know. Not in money, but in abundance of love, surrounded by family, surrounded by your children, grandchildren, nieces and nephew, near and far. Again, congratulations on your special day. Love you both. I'll see you in a new year. Bye for now. Happy holidays, everyone, from my home to yours. Let me dedicate a song for Auntie and Uncle, and also for all of you. A song written by David Foster, a Canadian composer. It's called The Prayer. I hope you enjoy it. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. God bless everyone.